Hey, welcome to ManKitchenRecipes. I am Kevin, and today we're back on the Blackstone griddle. We're back at making some SmashDogs. If you haven't made SmashDogs yet, you want to try these. All right, so today what I'm making is Philly cheesesteak inspired SmashDogs, and this is what they look like. Look at that. Yeah, I've got some fried provolone on the bottom. The hot dogs are smashed. I got the onions and the peppers and the cheese. So let's go inside. I'll show you how I put this together. I'll show you how I make them on the Blackstone. Come back out and do a taste test. Okay, for my Philly cheesesteak inspired SmashDogs, I just got some Kraft singles. I could not find Cheese Whiz. I found, you know, canned cheese, but I wanted Cheese Whiz, couldn't find it, so I'm going with the singles. I got some Angus ballpark franks, provolone, sliced onion, buns, and a orange and yellow bell pepper. I'm going to get these prepared and see you out at the Blackstone griddle. All right, so today I'm going to use some avocado oil from Senior Avocado. Putting him to work today and giving Olive a little bit of a break. Just going to lay that down, and I'm going to get my onions and peppers down. Get those started, and I'm going to toss on a little SPG. Peppers and onions are getting a little bit of grill marks on them a little bit. Looking good. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to move these over here to the side with all their goodies with them. Okay. And they'll still be cooking a little bit over here. I don't want them super soft, but I do want them softened up enough. It's kind of like fajitas. Okay, so for the buns, I'm going to use some more Senior Avocado down. Spread that out. Get our buns laid down. It should only take a couple of seconds. All right, that's looking pretty good. Set these to the side. That looks good. All right, now for the dogs. Okay, so the last time I did SmashDogs, I used the Blackstone smasher. Today I'm going to use the Expert Grill little cast iron smasher. About the same size, so I thought this might work better. Last time they were kind of slippery. You have to press pretty hard to get them smashed. Okay, oh, that's pretty good. Let's see if we got any kind of, oh yeah, that's what we're looking for right there. Got to have char on those hot dogs, right? Heck yeah. All right, I'm going to set these over like that. I'm going to turn my fire down to low, not that that's going to work instantly. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to get my provolone down. Just like that. Okay. Hot dogs are nice and grilled. I'm going to set the hot dog right on the provolone. Got one there. I'm going to get my onions and bell pepper on top. Try to use all of these that I cook. Okay. And then instead of, since I couldn't find any Cheese Whiz, I'm going to use some sliced American plastic cheese. I know. Okay. Just going to use one slice per. Set that on top. It should start melting pretty quick. And put that on top. All right. I think that's going to work. All right, so now I'm going to take a bun, just like this. My fried provolone. All right, there we go. And that is our Philly cheesesteak inspired smash dog. Boy, that provolone doesn't want to slide off my spatula. All right, there you go. Look at that. Right, so this one here, I rolled up the back of the provolone cheese to show you that fried cheese. Look at all the peppers and onions inside that smash dog. Now it's time to take that taste. There you go. I gotta tell you, you can see that smashed hot dog in there. If you haven't tried making one yet, definitely give it a try. They're so good, and you can put all kinds of different toppings on them. This one's Philly cheesesteak inspired. All right, well, I'm gonna go enjoy these. Thanks for checking this out, and I hope you have a great day.